Welcome back, students. Let us continue the square and square root chapters. Chapter 6, exercise 6.3. Here the question, find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the numbers 4, 9, 10. So we'll see what is the solution. First step, the least number divisible by each one of, that is 4, 9 and 10, is their LCM. So first we have to find out, take all the three numbers given, find out the LCM. So we'll start the problem. So see, we'll write the 4, 9 and 10. So here first step is 2. We'll take 2. This one is 2 2s are 4. 9 is not divisible by 2. So therefore this one is 2 5s are. Next step, again we will take 2. 2 1s are 2. Again 9 keep as it is. So then 5 remains as it is. So next step is take 3. 3 is, here 1 keep as it is. Then 3 3s are 9. Then 5 keep as it is. Remains. So next step, again you take 3. 1s are. Then this one become 3 1s are. Then 5 remains as it is. So next step is take 5, make all 1. So we have got already 1 1, keep 1 1 as it is. Then 5 1s are. Then this one becomes 5 1s are. So 3 1 1 5, then 5. Here 5 I write again. Then last step is here 5 1 1 1. So this is how to find the LCM. The next step, here we finished this. So we found out the LCM. Now write down the LCM of 4, 9 and 10 is, so take all the numbers, that is 2 into 2 into how many pairs? 2 into 2 into, that is 3 into 3 into 5. So how many times 2? 3 times 2 and 2 times 3 and 5 is equal to, total will become 180. So therefore the prime factor so I made a mistake here. See, 2 starts here, so this one, again 2, here we should write 3, so I made a mistake. So here 3, then this 3 3s are 3, then here we should write 5. One step is, so here only it stops. So therefore we get, that is 2, 1 pair of 2, 1 pair of 3 and 5. So now it's okay. So now here the prime factor, multiply all this, we will get 180. Then we get the prime factor 5 is not in pair. So 5 doesn't have pair here. So therefore what we write, 180 is not a perfect square. So what we have to do in order to get the perfect square, in order to get a perfect square, each factor of 180 must be paired. So each factor of this must be paired. So what is the solution? Therefore we have to make 5 a pair. So pair, therefore we'll write 180 should be multiplied by multiplied by 5. So hence the required smallest square number is, what happens, that is 180 into 5 will be 900. So this is the solution for this 9th problem. We move on to the 10th one. Here 10th one is find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the numbers 8, 15 and 20. So therefore the solution is, we'll write the least number divisible by each one of 8, 15 and 20 is their LCM. So we will find out the LCM of the three numbers 8, 15, 20. So here first we have taken 2 4s are 8, 15 remains as it is, 20 is there, 2 10s are 20. Next again we will take 2 is 2 2s are 4, then 15 remains as it is, 2 5s are 10. Next again we will take 2, so this becomes 2 1s are 2, again 15 remains as it is, 5 remains as it is. Next we take 3 is 1, then 3 5s are 15, then 5 remains as it is. Next last we will take 5 1 1, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. So what is the next step? The LCM. So we found out the LCM of 8, 15 and 20 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to 120. Now prime factorization of 120 is, that is 120 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Therefore the prime factors 2, 3, 5 are not in pairs. So 3 factors are not in pairs. Therefore 120 is not a perfect square. So in order to get the perfect square, next step, in order to get a perfect square, each prime factor must each factors of 120 must be paired. So what here we have to pair the each prime factor. Therefore, so we need to make pairs. We need to make pairs of 2, 3 and 5. Therefore 120 should be multiplied by that is 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to 30. Therefore, hence we write, hence the required smallest square number is that is what we have to multiply, 120 into 30, which is equal to how much? That is 36,000. So this is the solution for this 10th problem. So next this completes the 6.3 exercise. We move on to the next exercise. So in the next exercise, that is, we have to find out the square root using the division method. So here what happens, first we solve some of the examples. In this case, we'll first solve some of the examples, that is how to find the square root by division method. Here the first problem we have taken is 7396. So how to find out the square root by the division method? First I will teach you, that is, take the number, that is, these are the examples, 7396. First solution is, first step is pair these numbers. So we paired, that is 96 and 73. After this, find out the nearest number, which should be a square. See, take the rule. That is 1 square is 1, 2 square is 2. Like this number should be, that is 3 square is 9. Like this 4 square is equal to 16. Then 5 square is 25. Then 6 square is 36. 7 square is 49. 8 square is 64. 9 square is 91. Then 10 square is equal to 100. So this here we should take a number, nearest number, which should be the square of the number. So the nearest number to the 74 will be 64. So 64 square, 8 square is 64. So first we have to take 8, it's a 64 here. Therefore here also we should write 8 8s are 64. Then now 64 we write here. Then minus this 73 minus 64 will become, that is 9. This is 0, 9. So this is the first step. Find out the square of the number which is nearest to this number. Then minus this, we will get 0, 9. Bring this other two number to here. Next step. So since the first number is 0, we will take this number. This, that is 9, 9. So the next step here is, so now 9 will be, that is, we first take, that is, first you add these two. We add these two, how much we get? 8 plus 8 will become 16. So now 16. 8 plus 8 we made it as 16. Next step is 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Now next step is to find this one should be multiplied. We'll just see the 16 tables. 16 tables were 16 into, that is 16 into 6 will be, that is 96. So we'll see the 16 table, which is the nearest number to the 99 will be 96. That is 16 into 6. Now we have to 16 into 6 we get 96. Here we have 99. Then we have to write like this, 166 into 6. So we should again, we multiplied and we found out the nearest number. Again this 116 should be multiplied by 6. We will get the number as 996. Please understand this. By practice only you will get this. You should practice. So 99 we got here. So we will take the three numbers. Then this is multiplied by 6. 6 here. Then 6 here. So how much we got? 996. So minus this we will get 0. So this is the solution of the number. Therefore square root of 7396 by the division method is equal to 86. So practice this, see the steps one by one, then you will get the solution. So next problem, we move on to this one. Here we are taking 5 numbers. So 5 numbers. The first step, we will take this number, that is 17424. What is the first step? I thought you all, first we have to pair the numbers. So we pair these two numbers, these two, one is left as it is. So let it remain as it is. Now first step, what we have to do, we'll take the square of this first number. What is the square of 1? 1 is 1 only. Therefore 1 here, and 1. 1 ones are 1. That is square of 1 is 1. So next step is add these two. Add these two. 1 plus 1 will be 2. Right here 2. So bring down the number 0, then 7 4. We are writing the other two number. Here 0, then 7 4. So this remains as it is. Now we just see the square number which is nearer to the 7. Which is the square, that is we can take as 3 into 3. So we can take, that is nearest number is 2 3s are. That is, 3 into 3 will be 3 2s are. So we'll take 3. So now next step is 2 3s are, 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Okay, next is nearest to 6. So what is this? We have to, that is 6 square. Therefore to nearest to this will become 2 3 is equal to 6. Then 6 into, so next number, what is the 6 square? Will get 36, or 6 6 are 36. Then nearest number is, so we'll see, therefore we'll take 23 into 2. 2 3s are 6, then 2 2s are 4. 23 into 3 will take. So the next number, that is 7. 7 is 7 7 49. So therefore 8 will be, therefore 23 into 3 will take. 23 into 3 will be 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Therefore here we will take next number. So therefore 2 3s are, that is 6. 6 again 23 into 3 will take. 23 into 3 will be again 3s are. 23 you take 3 3s are, then 23 into 3 will be, that is 3 1s are, then 69 here. So we put 69 here. Next step is, that is add these two, that is 23 should be added to 3. 23 plus 3 will become, that is 26. So write down here 26. Now minus this we get 0, 5 we get here. Then other two numbers are there, bring them down. So now we get 23, this we had 23 plus 3. Then see the number nearest to this. So this one 26 into, we'll multiply and see 2 is equal to, we get 52. So this is nearest number only. Then the 50 again into 52 into 2 will do. So this one will become 4 and this one will become 2 2s are 45. So 52. So this is 52. After the 52, then 26 again 262 we write into 2. So join this 262, 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 1 5. So 26 into 2. So this will become here 132. So we get 0 5 2 4. So this is the result. So understood. First take this one, the 74. First is pair this number, that is 5 numbers are there, pair this, 1 is remaining, 1 ones are, that is square of 1 is 1, then add these 2, take the nearest number, that is you take 23 into 3 will become 23 into 3 is in 3, since it is 23 into 3 we have to multiply this, the nearest number, that is 69 we got, then 69 minus this we get 0.5, again add 23 to this 3 we get 26, so 26 to 2, 6, 2, then find out 26 into 2, the nearest number to this will become 52, 52 again 262 into 2 will become 254, minus this will get 0, therefore that is square root of 17424 is equal to 132. So this is the result. Division method, finding the square root we got, but we have to follow the steps, and it is, if you practice only you will get this. If you have any doubts, comment me, subscribe my channel. Thank you.